Warning RAM truck owners to beware of thieves stealing this screen.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today we're going to be talking about the Ram truck. They are stealing the screens out of the Dodge Ram trucks now. I know we're used to all the videos being about the Chargers and the Challengers, how everybody's always stealing them, but now they're targeting the Ram truck. So if you have the big screen in your truck, you might want to watch this video.
And now thieves have their eye on a popular pickup truck, which has led to a rash of thefts in cities and towns across the province. Here's Pat Foran and Consumer Alert. Pat.
Nathan and Michelle. From Ottawa to Windsor, the Ram pickup truck appears to be the new target for criminals. The popular pickup is now sought after overseas, so thieves have moved it to the top of their list. In York Region alone, more than 130 have been stolen so far this year.
Ram trucks are being stolen from driveways in Barrie, London, and Toronto. Scott McCullough of Coburg recently got back from a vacation in Cuba. His 2022 Ram that was parked near the airport was gone.
Went to the parking lot where I left my vehicle to find that it was not there.
I would like my truck back.
Jamie Niblett of Bowmanville just had his 2022 Ram stolen from in front of his house.
I got to the bottom of the driveway, turned around, and noticed that my truck was gone.
I love the truck. I love everything about it.
Camyar Soltani of Thornhill had his 2022 Ram pickup stolen as well. Thieves were in his driveway for about 15 minutes before they drove off.
Someone can come to your property, take your vehicle away, and it's becoming routine.
Thieves seem to be one step ahead of auto manufacturers, reprogramming key fobs and using relay attacks to take over a vehicle's computer system. The parent company of Ram, Stellantis, told CTV News, while such events are rare, they are not exclusive to any make or model of vehicle. We are engaged in continuous product improvement and urge all motorists to take due care in securing their vehicles. York Regional Police say thefts are up dramatically, and 131 Ram pickups have already been stolen since January 1st.
Almost happened overnight, where it used to be the Lexus 350 was very popular. It still is, but definitely we've seen a spike with the Dodge Rams.
For owners of the Ram pickup truck, it's been frustrating, as even using security systems and tracking devices didn't prevent the thefts.
I'm a small business contractor, and that vehicle is my lifeline.
Where is this going? Are they going to put an end to this, or is this going to become a part of our lives?
As you can see, guys, they are breaking into trucks and stealing the screens, and people act like this is something new. It's really not anything new. And just a quick video, guys, for those who may not be, tuned into the news all the time. A lot of people watch YouTube to get the information. So I figured this is something that you guys need to know about. I know there's a lot of people that follow my channel that have Ram trucks.
RAM truck owners to beware of thieves stealing this screen. Yeah, this happens to be a RAM RHO. So here's how thieves are doing it. Now you might be thinking about the screen. It looks like it's pretty well in there, pretty well attached. I can't get my hand under any spots of it. This is in the dash. No big deal. Not so fast. What thieves are doing is they're coming back over here, taking this little piece of plastic trim out of the way. Now I pulled mine out for display, but this goes down here, and you can have a little cubby hole for putting stuff on it. You have a little DC charger here too. What they do is they go right here, boom, there's a screw, and right there's a screw. Once you get those two screws out, you come down here, and it's pushed in there with like a clip. So you just pop the clip out here, screws come out, whole screen pops out as one piece.
And it's unfortunate that they're targeting these trucks, guys, because for a while, all you will see is the Dodge Chargers and Challengers being broken into and stolen. I mean, they've always been stealing radios. That ain't nothing new. I mean, people have been stealing radios for ages. That's not anything special about that. But for whatever reason, right now, the hot truck is the Ram pickup truck with the big old screen in it. And you can get a lot of money for those screens, so that's why they're stealing them. And selling them either on eBay, selling them on Facebook Marketplace. So if you have one of these trucks, guys, I just wanted to make you guys aware of what's going on. So you might want to get you an alarm. I got a video on my channel you can go through and tell you about the alarm I have on my car. I have the T13, and it's really good, man. It'll let you know exactly what's going on with your car. If somebody's breaking in your cars, somebody's messing around with your vehicle. So nothing is safe, guys, when it comes to these Mopars. They'll target anything. Any and everything. It's always people trying to steal something, guys. That's just how it is. Especially now with these big old screens, because a lot of these screens are compatible with a lot of different vehicles. So people like to steal them and put them in their car. And it's just unfortunate. So quick video today, guys. I appreciate everybody who's been tuning into the channel. I'm not going to draw these videos out because people be skipping through the videos like I don't know what. And the YouTube guys, they send us analytics. We can see what, you know, when people are skipping through the videos and all that. I mean, I understand. I do it too. So it is what it is. But I hope you guys watch this video to the end. If you're new to my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. Make sure you be parking your Ram truck in the garage if it fits, or if it's if you got it on the street, you might want to get you an alarm system because they're coming for it. Hit the like button, guys. Subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.